Hello, Henrico learners and families. Welcome back to EdFlix. My name is Mr. Neal, and I am from Glenlee Elementary School, and I am happy to be here. Today's focus is main idea. When identifying the main idea, there are two things to really remember. There's a difference between the topic of a text and the actual main idea. Something really strange about me that I'm doing right now because of quarantine, I was looking for something to keep me busy, is I decided to incubate the smallest quail in the world, a button quail, right? If I gave you an article about hatching button quail, and we read that article, and I asked you to identify the main idea of that article, I would likely give you a graphic organizer like this one, which you will see today after your lesson. I'd first ask you to identify the topic. What is the topic of this article? Well, this article is about hatching button quail. We'd fill that in. We still need to find the main idea. The main idea is not hatching button quail. That's our topic. But we can ask this question to help us identify the main idea. So what? So what about hatching button quail? Well, after looking over our article, we realized that hatching button quail requires a lot of care and caution. Now that could be a main idea. That is our main idea. And we have details to support it. The temperature inside the incubator must be 37.9 degrees Celsius. The humidity must be 30 to 50% for the first 13 days and then 70% thereafter. You must wash your hands with antibacterial soap when handling the incubator. The eggs must be turned at least 3 times daily. If anything goes wrong, your eggs won't hatch. All of those details support our idea that the eggs or hatching button quail require a lot of care and caution. We have our topic, hatching button quail. So what about it? Hatching button quail requires a lot of care and caution. So what you're going to do now is you're going to go to, you're going to log into Clever. You're going to watch the video on BrainPop, a great video to reinforce main idea. And then you're going to read a really cool article called Speak Fido. And accompanying that article is another graphic organizer, just like the one you used. Where is it? This side, yeah. And you're going to identify the topic. You're going to ask that question, so what, about the topic, and then you will be able to identify the main idea. Can't wait for you to do it, and I will see you tomorrow.